YouTube. YouTube, what up? What up, YouTube? It's your boy Lottie. Y'all already know what it is. Back with another video, man. AKA Wavy Hendrix, man. If you part of the Wavy family, y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and join the channel, man. Also, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know, man. I just said subscribe, share, like, comment, and subscribe. It is what it is. Yeah, don't worry about it. Anyway, a lot of you guys been going back and forth with these conversations of what's a silky, what's a poly. I mean, are certain do-rags just, you know what I mean? Like, what the heck? We gonna get to that. We gonna get to that. Also, this video is so y'all know how to tie a do-rag. You feel me? Because I'm tired of seeing some of y'all with the rolled up stink. You know what I'm saying? Stink. So we just got the fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what your boy doing. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know, man. Am I spinning? Can I get up there with great ones? You feel me? Hold on, let me check right quick. That ain't gonna work. Let me check right. Jesus. That boy's spinning all around the damn head. Oh my Lord. Oh my God, somebody, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we putting in that work, alright? So shout out to everybody, man, who's been supporting the channel. You guys are amazing, actually. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So this is what I wanted to do, because I feel like I hear this all the time, and it's crazy. Like, oh, I got a silky. Oh, I got a silky. First off, I don't care who it is, where you are. Nobody got a all silky silk. Like, nobody got that. No company got that. That's big facts. But what I will say is, you got blends, you got satin and all of that other stuff, right? But these is like poly. This is poly, right? This is definitely a poly. You could tell by when you stretch it how the fabric becomes more polyester than it is silk. It's like a poly with a silk finish, but it's just like for look. It's not official. And when you when you buy the package anyway, it says 100% poly, but it looks like a silky. It just looks like a silky. It gives the appearance of a silky. It ain't a silky. Now, to get closer to a silky, what you need? You need so many waves, or maybe even Silk City. That's how you get close to a silky. You feel me? I'm waiting on my waves. You feel me? I'm waiting on my do-rag silk. I mean, so many waves. I ordered like 5 silkies, and I'm waiting for them. I know y'all grinding. I know them drinks is all hand stitched, but your boy's waiting. The kaleidoscopes, I need those. Get them here. Feel me? All right. So for all you people who rocking do-rags, you know what I'm saying? First off, don't let me catch you with the put a do-rag on and the stitching is in the bottom like this. Hold up. This is wrong. That's not how you put a do-rag on. You don't want to do that because then you won't get the line through your head. Look, damn, man, I'm freaking spinning. I'm spinning. All right. So, all right. So, P game, you got the normal joint. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hold up. You know what I'm saying? This is not how you put a silky on. Don't ever let me catch y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all be out here stunting in the street, man, lazy. You know what I mean? This is wrong. You see? Okay, see how it's wide? That's perfect. But when you do this, I'll show you right now. I see a lot of people do this. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can do this if you want. You can tie your silky up. You know what I mean? You can tie your silky up like that. The only problem with tying your silky like this is, guess what? You're gonna get lines in your head in the morning. Duh. You feel me? You don't want to have the lines in your head. I mean, although it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? You could have your flaps out. You could take it, you know what I'm saying? A little twist it up, throw it in, tuck it in, sweepy, schwappity, sweep, swap. You know what I'm saying? You could do all of that. And then you be out here looking like a 2003 hip-hop thug. All right. Nah, so that's not how you want to tie your do-rag. It's not ideal, you know what I'm saying? And that's just real talk. Hold on. Let me get this off of my head. Yeah. All right. So when you get your silky, number one, you want to make sure you did a beautiful brush session. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your hair is looking nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? Then you're going to get your do-rag, you know, line it up. You take one side. You could, I see a lot of people doing that. You don't gotta do that. Well, if you wanna do that, you do that. And you bring it around. You hear me? You feel me? You bring it around. Tuck it on. Yeah. Look. Look at that. Step one already down. Then the other one. You know what I'm saying? You come around. Swat. You feel me? Oof. You feel me? Come around. You know what I'm saying? Got it nice and straight in the front. Oof. Come on. Who does it like that? In the back, you hit the tie on. Boom. There you go. So now you clean. Hold on. Let me double check. Now you clean. You clean. You know what I'm saying? So when you wake up in the morning, you ain't gonna have no lines on your forehead. You know what I'm saying? No lines. Brings me to my next topic. This is not Silky. You know what I'm saying? Don't let them gas you. This ain't silk. This ain't silk. It's like a poly. You know what I'm saying? It's like a poly. I don't even know what this is, but you know what I'm saying? It's fire. You know what I mean? They got the metallic look. You know what I'm saying? Some do-rags are more style. Some do-rags, I get it. It's the style. You know what I'm saying? It's to stunt a little bit for the pictures, you know what I'm saying? On the gram, do your little thing. You know what I mean? But a lot of the times, you can get it in silk. You know, you can get the silky ones. You don't want to put things like polys on your head because it don't allow for your scalp to breathe properly. You know what I'm saying? And because it doesn't allow for your scalp to breathe properly, your hair is no longer, your scalp is actually clogging up and all that dirt is staying there and building up on your noggin, and then you getting bald spots in your head, and then you like, damn, well, I'm going bald, I'm using all natural products, and then so peep game, this is all you want to do. When you got the silks, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, also, you could always tuck it in. There is another way of just, you know what I'm saying? Just spin it around, make a knot, put it down, blase blah, whatever. Who cares about all of that? That's not fire. And I'm definitely tired of seeing people walking around with this. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. With the I don't care. You feel me? With the I don't care. With the I look like a dummy. You feel me? With the I ain't going nowhere. You feel me? This is trash. Now, I'm trying to figure, it's trash. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's trash. Don't do it. I'm really looking at it. Give me 1 second. Alright, I guess if you was doing like a music video and you was trying to stunt, like, you know what I mean? It does give off a nice little effect. But it's trash. Don't do it. But yeah, man, y'all already know what it is. It's been real. It's your boy Lottie, man. Wavy Hendrix in the building, like I said. If you guys enjoyed this video, come on, stop playing already. Like, comment, subscribe, Also share the video. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this dude is a clown. I'm saying, yo, he got waves, he's spinning. Do what you gotta do to show me love, baby. We out of here. Yo, make sure y'all get y'all, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with y'all crown. Work on that. Yo, where's my brush at? Work on y'all crown, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that joint is fire. Because some of y'all out here, y'all getting waves. Y'all don't got no waves on the side, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not even coming at y'all. I'm just keeping it 100. You know what I'm saying? Look, oh my God, tell me the boy nuts. I'm up there. That's all I'm saying. I'm up there with the greats. You know what I mean? I've been putting in work. I've been brushing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Whose mans is this? Look at this. Whose mans is this? Look at the lighting. Oh my God. And we're going to get real with it. As a matter of fact, we got some more videos coming soon. And I think y'all going to like that. Y'all going like that. We got the, let me not even. Nah, but for real though, guys, I do appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Like I said, these are not Silkies. If you're getting a Silky, it's going to be from So Many Waves. If you're doing it, go on their Instagram. It's way better to do it that way. It's just, you don't want to get jukes. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go and buy you a Durag that you think is a Silky. You get it, and it's really 100% polyester. You know what I'm saying? With like this silky look. When you pull it, it's not really a Silky. But I'm not going to, look, you can get waves with a poly. You could throw a poly on and have waves. Like, don't let nobody tell you otherwise. But let's be real here, so that your hair can breathe, so that you get in the best quality on your head, so that you're not sweating out your waves and all of that stuff like that in your progress. You might want a Silky. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Durag has a dope silk Durag. Like I said, So Many Waves got the fire Durags. Yo, where's my kaleidoscopes? What? Come on. I just want to be wavy with y'all, man. Where's my kaleidoscopes? Matter of fact, Ocean Beauty, they got Silkies. Them James is fire. Like, I'm not going to hold you. They be having the fire. And the compression on there is litty. So, shout outs to him. That's who? Ocean Shard? Them drinks is fire. You know what I'm saying? I've copped a few, and you know I got a few. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, dudes. If y'all listening to the video and the YouTube, I could spit bars just like you do, and we can get crazy like voodoo, because I be putting waves in like... Never mind all of that. Yo, I'll catch y'all later.